Hello everyone. Corn and soybean meal are ingredients to be mixed to prepare with minimum weight of mix. There is a cost component for the two ingredients based on quantity used. Both these ingredients have certain proportion of nutrient content, which is protein and fiber. The requirement is to satisfy minimum and maximum threshold of the nutrient content for the diet prepared from mixing the ingredients. The objective of the problem is to satisfy the dietary requirement from feed mixture at minimum cost of the ingredients. Pulp and Pandas packages on Operations Research Solver and data manipulation in Python are loaded. Along with the packages, data is loaded. Ingredients, nutrient, threshold of diet requirement in terms of low and high levels are also loaded. The minimum capacity of daily feed is 800 kilograms. These are enumerated in Loadtreek and Hidtreek lists. The costs for the two ingredients are stored in cost list. Finally, we have the comp list. The comp list consists of nutrient content in the two ingredients. A list ingredicomp is enumerated for ingredient and nutrient. Data frames are used in the model for nutrient thresholds, cost and composition. These are stored under Loadtreek, Hidtreek, cost and comp. We create a class diet mix for minimizing cost of ingredients used in the feed. Then initialize the class with the method and feed the data and data frames to it instantly. Next, we define the problem as self.prob. The continuous variable self.x is for determining weight of two ingredients. After declaring the variable's objective function is defined. The objective function is the summation of weight of ingredient multiplied with cost per kilogram, which is self.x. First constraint defines that total weight of the ingredient used for feed mix is at least 800 kg. The next two constraints are for lower and upper threshold of prepared feed mix. The second constraint depicts that proportion of nutrient in the total feed is greater than or equal to lower threshold, while third constraint defines it to be less than or equal to upper threshold. The formulated problem is then invoked for solving with solve method. Please note we also write a .lp file, which is a good way of checking accuracy of model with data. Along with it we get the status, objective value and variables value for the problem. The formulated model is solved by invoking the solver. The solution suggests preparing daily feed by mixing 470.59 kilograms and 329.41 kilograms of corn and soybean meal. This would cost $437.65 daily. The code for the problem in this tutorial and previous tutorial are shared publicly on GitHub. The links are under the respective videos. Thank you for watching the video and please subscribe to the channel.